Hey there, explorers! Today we're going on an exciting adventure through the human body. Get ready to learn about digestion, the amazing process that turns the food we eat into energy we can use. Imagine your favorite food. Maybe it's a slice of pizza or a crunchy apple. What happens after you take a bite? Let's find out! Fasten your seatbelts because our journey starts in the mouth, the first stop on this incredible digestive adventure. Our adventure begins in the mouth, where the fun starts with our chompers. Our teeth. Teeth are like tiny tools that break down food into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to swallow and digest. But teeth aren't alone in this task. The mouth also has saliva, a watery liquid that makes food wet and slippery. Saliva even starts to break down some parts of our food right away. Chewing and saliva work together to turn food into a mushy ball called a bolus, ready for its journey down the esophagus. After swallowing, the bolus slides down a long tube called the esophagus. Think of it as a water slide for food, but instead of gravity, muscles in the esophagus squeeze and push the food down. This squeezing action is called peristalsis. It's like a wave that gently moves the food towards the stomach, our next exciting stop. Welcome to the stomach, a stretchy sac that churns and mixes food like a washing machine. Here, powerful acids and special helpers called enzymes break down the food even more. The stomach's acids are strong enough to dissolve a nail. Don't worry, the stomach has a protective lining to keep everything safe. This churning and mixing process turns the food into a thick liquid called chyme, ready for the next stage of our journey. Section 5. Small intestine's nutrient grab. Next stop, the small intestine. Don't let its name fool you. This is one long and winding tube. In fact, if you stretched it out, it would be longer than a school bus. Here, the chyme is broken down even further. The small intestine has tiny finger-like projections called villi that absorb all the good stuff from the food, like vitamins and minerals. These nutrients enter our bloodstream and travel all over our body, giving us energy to play, learn, and grow. Section 6. The large intestine's waterworks. Now, the leftover waste from the small intestine moves into the large intestine. Even though most of the nutrients are gone, there's still water that our bodies need. The large intestine acts like a sponge, soaking up water from the waste. As the water is absorbed, the waste becomes more solid and turns into what we know as poop. The large intestine is an important part of keeping our bodies balanced and hydrated. Section 7. Out with the waste. The final stop on our digestive journey is the rectum, where the solid waste is stored until it's time to say goodbye. When we go to the bathroom, the waste exits our body through the anus. And that's the end of food's big adventure. It's important to remember that going to the bathroom is natural and healthy. It's all part of the digestive process. Section 8. Why we need digestion. From chewing to pooping, digestion is an amazing journey. It's how our bodies turn the food we eat into energy we can use. Every bite fuels our bodies, helping us grow, learn, and play. So next time you eat, remember the incredible journey happening inside you thanks to the amazing process of digestion.